Honey, 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 honey. Honey, 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 honey. Honey, 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 honey.
I slowly eat 1 kilo of honey with a silver spoon. Travel always had a kind of aphrodisiac effect on me.
Honey, honey.
While I was in Austria, I met a Swiss artist called Thomas Lips. He was a slim man with long curly hair and very beautiful in a way that was both masculine and feminine. His androgyny fascinated me, although I had never been drawn to women sexually. I was powerfully attracted to him, and we had a brief fling.
Far and wide, open up my mouth and let the honey flow.
That fall, Ursula Krinziger invited me back to Austria, to her gallery in Innsbruck, where I staged a new performance, which I called Thomas Lips.
Because everywhere is honey, there's a honey pool. He's just made of honey.
I slowly eat 1 kilo of honey with a silver spoon.
Yes, honey, and I am what I eat. I must be made of honey. And life is very sweet.